call out the network, and then I'll call out even the artist that's gonna sing the newest version of our song.
Yes, we will have Julian San Jose and Darren singing Ikat Kayoy!
Are they here?
Wala sila. Oo, may task din, may task. Pero kanina habang pinapanood natin yung video, parang mga reactions po ang ating host.
Especially Ate Bianca.
Yes!
What can you say about it?
Kasi yun yung music na narinig na airpiece.
The OG Celebrity Edition.
Excited na din ako parinig yung new version. And I told Gabi kanina, sila yung perfect choice na mag-collab to sing this song. Si Julian and si Darren.
They perfectly represent each network. No? So, Kapuso and Kapamilya. At dahil sobrang generous ni Kuya today, well, meron pa siyang big update para sa inyo.
Meron pa!
Oo, meron pa. There's more, there's more.
Ayaw na ni Mang Chinelay. Pero totoo yan. Meron pa nga. Ngayon mismo, magkakaroon tayo ng sneak peek sa mga bagong celebrity housing for this season. Are you guys ready? Mag-record na tayo. Mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, let's watch this!
Sa 20th anniversary ng Pinoy Big Brother, mangyayari na ang biggest collab ever. Kapuso at kapamilya magsasama-sama para sa pinakabagong Celebrity Edition. Magpapanood sa GMA Kapamilya Online Live, IYTFC at TFC. Kapuso at kapamilya, we win together as one. Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Ngayong March 9 na, weekdays 10 p.m. Weekends 6:15 p.m.
Meron naman dito.
Pwede pa tayo doon. Ang bilis naman.
Teaser talaga, no? At saka, well, from the looks of it, may mga na kita kung mga pamilyar na artist. Also, well, maliit lang ang industriya. Talaga naman. At saka yun, may isa akong nakilala right before the very eyes.
Ay, may friend ka na doon. Wow.
Pero ito ang nakakalungkot.
Initials.
Hindi, nakakalungkot. Ay, initials.
Bawal.
Pero may isang press tayo na hindi niya na-press yung cellphone niya dahil full na yung
Memory.
Hindi niya nakita yung, hindi niya na slow motion yung
Ipapasit na.
hindi trailer.
One more!
Sharp.
Oo.
Ikaw, false information, papa NBI ka.
Pero may hinanap ako doon.
Si we're looking for...
Hindi ako wala na naman si Bianca.
Actually, hanap siya ng lahat eh. No?
Yes, pero alam nyo, pagkatapos nga ng lahat ng mga pagsabog ni Kuya, alam namin na you're all eager to get to know more about this edition. Kaya naman, we are now opening the floor for our questions from the media. So ito naman ang chance nyong magtanong.
This is what they're here for. And we are starting off the Q&A from Isa Iglesias from Manila Times.
Hi, Isa!
Is she here with us today?
Hi, hello, I'm here.
Hello, Ms. Isa.
Yes. Yeah, first of all, congratulations to ABS-CBN and GMA for this last 2 million. So, who would have thought diba, na magsasama for this show? My first question is for Robbie and Bianca. So, you've been with the show for quite some time, ano? And I remember nung in-announce na magkakakolab yung both networks. Parang medyo kinabahan kayo nung una kung mariretain ba kayo or not. So, ano yung feeling na instead na mabawasan kayo, mas dumami pa yung part ng PBB family? And nung nalaman nyo na si Marie and Gabby yung makakasama ninyo, ano yung naging reaction niyo?
Definitely ako bilang ate ng lahat, I'm happy to have more siblings join the family, kumbaga. And I think the best thing about working with pamilya ni Kuya, ako kasi, I've been hosting the show, same as what they said, 19 years. So after ko maging housemate sa Celebrity Edition 1, nung teen edition na si Kim Chu yung big winner, I hosted na. And for the longest time, meron kaming template ni Tony, Mariel, at ako on how to do the show. And that's all I knew. And then suddenly, life happened. Mariel had to leave, and then Tony just recently, parang nagkaroon ng ibang timpla. Although Robbie joined us later on, John Pratt, Steven, and then Melay. I love learning from them. And I've told them this, na ay may iba pa palang way on how to host PBB. Hindi lang yung kung ano yung nakasanayan namin, yun na yun. And that's what I appreciate. Lagi ako may natututunan kay Robbie, kay Melay, of course, kay Menencio,
Kami
and
ang may natutunan sa iyo, TV.
who joined us last year. And looking forward ako, kasi ibang flavor naman ang dadala ni Gabby and ni Mavi na matututo din kami lahat. Parang kumbaga may pamilya ni Kuya kami, tapos mag-iiba din yung dynamics na madadagdagan ng saya.
Same. Genuine happiness, especially this is my first time working with Mavi, and also I've been working with Gabby in different events, and finally on TV, and sa isang malaking proyekto such as Pinoy Big Brother, we're just really happy kasi nadadagdagan yung pamilya. At least yung yun ang masarap, walang nabawas. Thank you, Lord. Diba? And same time, it's like how we welcome them here in ABS-CBN as well. And yung PBB era sa GMA, we really need Gabby and Mavi to help us know the Kapuso crowd, paano ba yung ganito na sasabihin na namin. Kaya it really works. It's a big collab, but for me, it's a big collab. Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Iza.
Thank you, Miss Iza. Ilang weeks mong prepare yung Robbie. Ang ganda na na. Pinag-isipan mo talaga yan. Collab. Thank you. Now let's go to our next friend from the media. We have Michael Bix Almacen of Bix Buzz.
Hi, hello. Congratulations and happy 20th anniversary. Grabe tanda ni Robbie.
Uy, grabe siya!
Pero lagi pinag-uusapan lang natin. No? Pero Alexa, ano pa karamdam kasi naka 1 year, naka 1 season ka na as a host. Tapos ano yung mga natutunan mo na gusto mong i-share sa kasama mo sa online hostings na si Mavi?
Una po sa lahat, again, I'm so thankful na mapabilang pa rin sa pamilya ni Kuya. Honestly, I thought hindi na ako makakasama for this season. But I was so happy to get a call na I'm still part of this season. Lalo na, collab pa. Who wouldn't want to be part of this season, diba? So, thank you, Lord. And again, thank you po kay Kuya talaga. And sa pamilya ni Kuya, I'm very happy to be with them again. And siguro, sa 1 year ko po as an online host, ang mabibigay ko po siguro na advice kay Mavi is to learn how to balance all the fun and when it's time to be serious. Kasi may times kapag nag-host, everything's live. It's like you're always on your toes, thinking of what to say, what to banter with your co-host, or with the housemate, or with the audience. And may times na sa sobrang enjoy mo, naki-carried away ka, baka may masabi kang hindi dapat. So, I guess it was also a learning, a lesson for me to know when to balance na, okay, serious na ako, and yung fun lang, and yung pagiging seriousness as a host. So, nakuha mo ba yung Mavi?
Roger that part.
Okay.
Isa na lang kay Mela. Mela, yung pakiramdam mo na mapapanood ka na ng mga Kapuso viewers.
Oh my God!
Maraming salamat sa katanungan mo, Mars. Sobrang love ko talaga ito si Grace. Sobrang akong happy. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity na magkasama ko din si Mavi at saka si Gabby sa pamilyang ito. And siyempre, magpanood tayo sa Kapuso. Hindi din alam ko matatanggal pa tayo ng Kapuso, pero I'm very sorry, Kapuso. Wala na makakapigil nito. So, kaibutan lang. Lalaban na dito. Pero isa lamang ang masisiguro namin, sasayahan namin ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. And basta ang magiging hindi ko na, tapos na.
Vince, abangan mo, meron kaming guesting. Nakita ko na online sa March 7 sa Family Feud. Oo. Abangan
May
niya.
Team Melay ba? Team Melay?
Yes.
Team PBB.
PBB.
Team Melay yung leader ng team.
Hindi ko ulit yung video. Si Ate
Si Gabby. Siyempre, siya ang nag-welcome sa amin sa Kapuso. Pero masaya yung episode. Abangan niyo si Ate Melay sa kung ano sasabihin sa jackpot. Kung mananalo kami.
Pero for sure, pupusuan naman ng mga Kapuso itong PBB ko.
Salamat.
Pero may tanong ako kay Marcos.
Ay, Sir Marcos, may tanong daw din.
Pero may tanong.
Uy, fresh natin lahat si Sir
housemate, no?
Yes!
Alam mo ba, si Sir Marcos ang pumunta sa amin sa bahay sa Jensan. Nung nag-audition ako niya, si Sir Marcos tapos gusto ko.
Siya nag-immerse.
Sobrang crush ko talaga. Wala sa suha.
Hindi lang siya pang housemate, pang houseband yan.
Yeah.
Material.
I love you, Sir. Attorney Marcos? Yes, Sir Marcos.
Pero ayun nga, pero kamusta yung audition process? Nahirapan ba kayo? And ano yung mga klase ng celebrity housemate na hinahanap mo for this season?
Hindi kami nahirapan kasi nga, ito naman directed talaga yung yung hinahanap na it's coming from Sparkle and Star Magic. So they came up with a list. So they invited their celebrities to be interviewed by us. And just so you know, mga around 92 yung in-interview namin celebrities. But around mga 36 yung nag-final casting. But kung ilan talaga yung papasok, yun yung kailangan yung abangan kung ilan sila. But yeah, the casting process was really interesting for us, and it's like any other casting process that we were looking for the right mix, we're looking for the personality. Yun nga, sabi ng mga host kanina, it's not just about your credentials as celebrities, it's more your story, your personalities in the mix.
How about the formats? Pasabog po yung format kasi 20th anniversary.
Okay, sobrang pasabog yung format this season. I can say na whatever mechanics will be done this season, it's the first time that we'll be doing it for Pinoy Big Brother. So please abangan yan. As a first week yan, malalaman yung big pasabog for this season.
Exciting.
You see? Yes.
Hindi po yung format o hindi kasama si Jen.
Opening lang pala ako, no?
Or ipapasok ka na ulit, Ma'am Shimelay.
Maraming salamat, Dix Amazon once again from Dix Buzz. Now we move forward to the well-loved Tippy and account of the Rewind channel.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to everyone. Happy 20th anniversary. First question for Mavi, one of the newest members of PBB family. First, parang ushering a new era, no? Hosting talaga. And marami hindi nag-expect na ikaw pala yung ipapakilala. So, what was your reaction when you were first invited or asked to do this as your next project? Did you have to go through an audition or screening pa muna?
Actually, nag-audition ako. Kinulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya for 1 month. Joke. In-offer lang sa akin. I was offered this job. And of course, syempre, nagulat talaga ako. Kasi syempre, lahat naman tayo fan ng PBB. I also watched PBB growing up also. Syempre, yung last season na napanood ko actually was Alexa's season eh. So, sakong-sakto nung sinabi nila na makakatrabaho ko si Alexa sa online hosting, sabi ko, yes kaagad because of course, other than it's such an honor to do this job also, si Alexa ay kaibigan ko for the longest time. So, hit 2 birds with 1 stone. It's an honor to do PBB at the same time work with Alexa and together with these amazing hosts, mga ate at kuya ko. It's no-brainer talaga. I mean, who wouldn't say yes to this?
I love it. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni, hit 2 birds in 1 stone.
And I quote, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, thank you, Mavi. An additional question pala, ano na lang ine-expect mo with this new, kasi nga bago din siya sa'yo, although you had a show naman with your mom and your sister before, pero iba kasi to eh, kumbaga, solo ka na with Alexa, wala na with family.
Siyempre look forward to doing this for the first time on my own. May pressure but at the same time, ayoko isipin yun because I want to give my best sa lahat ng audience who's gonna watch PBB, and of course, I just look forward to getting to know the housemates, and also lahat ng mga comments ng mga viewers ng PBB to get to know the environment, and of course, like what I mentioned, like what I said kanina, do my best to create a healthy space and a healthy environment for everyone.
Thank you, Mavi.
Thank you.